and welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome everyone, and in this Hi everyone, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to do knotless jumbo braids. I use 2 packs of Xpression in the color 4 and I use Vida molding gel. You can use any gel, just make sure that you don't use beeswax as your hair can tangle. I pre-sectioned my hair into 5 rows, consisting of 2 braids at the back, 5 in the second row, 6 in the third row, and in the last row, which is the one at the top, I had 6 braids as well, but 3 on each side as I made a middle part. Split your hair into 3 parts like you would when braiding your hair without extensions. Because my hair type is 4C, I use a lot of gel to get my hair souped up so I can refrain from applying too much tension when I'm braiding it. The method I'll be showing you is the feed-in method, but you're gonna add your extensions in the beginning instead of first braiding your hair with your natural hair and going in with the extensions as you go on. I find that some people struggle with the method of adding hair after they've begun braiding. I don't really have exact measurements of the amount of extensions that I use. I'm basically just eyeballing it. So basically you're braiding your hair like you would braid your hair as normal, but instead you're adding extensions as you go on. Here I am struggling a bit, but you should really do it in a motion that's most natural to you. Adjust as possible. See, I am adjusting here and trying to find a motion that's most natural and comfortable to me. And I found my motion, and I then add my braid and I carry on braiding. 1, 2, add hair. 1, 2, add hair. So whenever you get to your third piece, you're always adding hair, which is the middle piece. I find this method works for me and is most comfortable for me, but basically you may add on your third piece or your first piece or even on your middle piece depending on what feels more natural to you. But the motion that you add in, or must I say the rhythm that you add in, should be the same so that your hair is uniform and that you're able to tuck away your hair nicely. Use gel for your ends. As you can see, my hair is very thick, so I'm applying gel to make it a bit more thin so that it can blend properly with the hair and I don't have hair sticking out, so that I can really just protect my ends. Another nice way to hide your ends is to have your natural hair under the braid when you're braiding instead of having your natural hair over the actual hair extension. Braid all the way to the end, and make sure when you're done you put your hair in hot water or use a hair dryer to seal the ends and hide flyaways. Also, another reason I didn't really start braiding with my natural hair and then add hair as I go is because it would have been really weird. It would have made it look really thin. You can get away with that when you're doing thinner braids, thinner knotless braids, but you can't really get away with it when you're doing thick knotless braids. And I use the brick method for my parts. I believe that repetition is the best method of learning. I'm just going to be quiet and let you guys watch and see for yourselves what it is I really did. Because I was eyeballing the amount of extensions that I used, I just kept adding extensions up until I got to the thickness that I wanted. I think maybe per braid I had added 5 pieces. I'm not really sure, but all the pieces I added were the same thickness. It took me about 3 hours to complete this hairstyle. When I was done, I added beads, and I didn't cut off the excess hair after tying the knot around the beads to keep them from falling because I think it looks cool and adds character to the hairstyle. Since you made it this far into this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with your friends.